Now see, we have taken up a question to find the limiting points of the coaxial system when the equation is in sphere plus lambda into plane form. Okay, so first let us write down what is given to us. Given equation of coaxial system of spheres. Coaxial system of spheres is x square plus y square plus z square minus 20x plus 30y minus 40z plus 29. This is the sphere equation plus lambda into 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to 0. This is the plane equation. So if I open the brackets, we get x square plus y square plus z square minus 20x plus 30y minus 40z plus 29 plus 2 lambda x minus 3 lambda y plus 4 lambda z is equal to 0. So that is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 lambda minus 20x plus, now see here I have taken x terms common. From these two terms, I took x common. So we got 2 lambda minus 20. Now from these two terms, we take y common. So we get 30 minus 3 lambda into y plus 4 lambda minus 40 into z plus 29 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Now comparing equation number 1 with x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. This is the general equation of sphere. So we are comparing first equation with the general equation of the sphere. So you get u is equal to 2 lambda minus 20 by 2. V is equal to 30 minus 3 lambda by 2. W is equal to 4 lambda minus 40 by 2. And D is equal to 29. So what is the center? We know that center is minus U comma minus V comma minus W. That is minus of 2 lambda minus 20 by 2 comma minus of 30 minus 3 lambda by 2 comma minus of 4 lambda minus 40 by 2. This is the center. So after finding center, we need to find out radius. So radius is 2 lambda minus 20 by 2 whole square plus 30 minus 3 lambda by 2 whole square plus 4 lambda minus 40 by 2 whole square minus 29 under root. So what is the formula for radius? Root over u square plus v square plus w square minus d. So that is equal to half. I take it out. Now what are we left over with? The numerator we will simplify. So 4 lambda square plus 400 minus 80 lambda plus 900 plus 9 lambda square minus 180 lambda plus 16 lambda square plus 1600 minus 320 lambda minus 29 into 4 will become 116. So that is equal to half into root over. If you simplify them all, you will get 29 lambda square minus 580 lambda plus 2784. So we need to add 4 lambda square, 9 lambda square, 16 lambda square. So you get 29 lambda square. Then we need to solve minus 80 lambda, minus 180 lambda, minus 320 lambda. So all are negative, we add and keep minus sign. So we get minus 580 lambda. And then the numbers, the constants we need to simplify. So we get 2784. Now squaring and equating radius to 0. Because to find limiting points, we need to equate radius to 0. And equating radius to 0. So you get 29 lambda square minus 580 lambda plus 2784 is equal to 0. So if I take 29 common, we get lambda square minus 20 lambda plus 96 is equal to 0. So we get lambda square minus 20 lambda plus 96 is equal to 0. Now you split the middle term. So you will get minus 12 lambda minus 8 lambda plus 96 is 0. If I take lambda common, we get lambda minus 2. And if I take minus 8 common, we get lambda minus 12. So lambda minus 12 is again common. We get lambda minus 8. So lambda is equal to 8 and 12. Now after finding lambda value, we need to substitute lambda in center. So for lambda equals to 8, center is equal to minus of 2 into 8 minus 20 by 2, comma minus of 30 minus 3 into 8 by 2, comma minus of 4 into 8 minus 40 by 2. So that is minus of, if you solve this first bracket, you get minus 2. If you solve the second bracket, you get 3. If you solve the third bracket, you get minus 4. So that is 2 comma minus 3 comma 4. Now we need to take the other value of lambda, that is for lambda is equal to 12. C is equal to minus of 2 into 12 minus 20 by 2 minus of 30 minus 3 into 12 by 2 minus of 4 into 12 minus 40 by 2. So if you solve them, we get minus 2 comma 3 comma minus 4. So what are the limiting points? Finally, we need to conclude. Limiting points are 2 comma minus 3 comma 4 and minus 2 comma 3 comma minus 4. This is the final answer. So this is the next question. Find the limiting points of the coaxial system defined by the spheres. Two sphere equations are given to us. So first let us write the given spheres. We denote it by S1 and S2. So let's say S1 is x square plus y square plus z square plus 3x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. And S2 is x square plus y square plus z square minus 6y minus 6z plus 6 is equal to 0. Now let us write equation of plane of circle. So the equation of plane of circle through two spheres. Through two spheres is S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. So let us subtract those two sphere equations. So we write one below the other, x square plus y square plus z square plus 3x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. And x square plus y square plus z square minus 6y, I am writing below y term, minus 6z plus 6 is equal to 0. So like here, if you change the signs, x square, y square, z square get cancelled, and 6 minus 6 also cancel. So we get 3x plus 3y plus 6z is equal to 0. So if we take 3 common, we get x plus y plus 2z is equal to 0. Now we will find out equation of coaxial system of spheres. So equation of coaxial system of sphere is S1 plus lambda into S1 minus S2 equals to 0. So we need to substitute S1 and S1 minus S2 in this equation. So we get x square plus y square plus z square plus 3x minus 3y plus 6 plus lambda into x plus y plus 2z is equal to 0. So now we open the bracket. So we get x square plus y square plus z square plus 3x minus 3y plus 6 plus lambda x plus lambda y plus 2 lambda z is equal to 0. So we get x square plus y square plus z square. Now from these two, if I take x common, we get 3 plus lambda into x. From these two, if I take y common, we get minus 3 plus lambda into y. There is only one z term, so we write 2 lambda z plus 6 is equal to 0. So now if we continue, we get, now let's compare equation number 1 with the general equation. That is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. So we get u is equal to 3 plus lambda by 2. V is lambda minus 3 by 2. W is lambda and D is equal to 6. So center formula is minus U comma minus V comma minus W. So that is minus of 3 plus lambda by 2 minus of lambda minus 3 by 2 and minus lambda. So what is radius? Radius R is equal to 3 plus lambda by 2 whole square plus lambda minus 3 by 2 whole square plus lambda square minus 6. This is under root. So you get root over 3 plus lambda whole square by 4 plus lambda minus 3 whole square by 4 plus lambda square minus 6. Now let's simplify this. So you get 9 plus lambda square plus 6 lambda plus lambda square plus 9 minus 6 lambda plus 4 lambda square minus 24 by 4 under root. So if you further solve this, you will get 6 lambda square. Now 6 lambda minus 6 lambda get cancelled. If you solve the constants, you get minus 6 by 4 under root. So that is 1 by 2 into square root of 6 lambda square minus 6. Now we square and add radius, square and equate radius to 0. So you get 6 lambda square minus 6 is equal to 0. So 6 lambda square is equal to 6. So lambda square is 1 and lambda is equal to plus or minus 1. Now for lambda is equal to plus 1, we need to substitute lambda value in center. Center is minus of 3 plus 1 by 2 minus of 1 minus 3 by 2 minus 1. So that is minus 2 comma 1 comma minus 1. Now for lambda equals to minus 1, what is the center? We need to substitute lambda as minus 1 in the center value which we got. So minus of 3 minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 minus 3 by 2 minus of minus 1. So if you simplify this, you'll get minus 1, 2, comma 1. So what are the limiting points? Limiting points are minus 2, comma 1, comma minus 1 and minus 1, comma 2, comma 1. This is the final answer.